Hello friends, this is Prateek Vyas from 91 Mobiles and today I have Oppo A74 5G with me. So on the right spine you can see the power button which also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the left spine you can see volume buttons and SIM tray. At the bottom you can see 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. Up top neat and clean, and at the back the phone comes with this glossy finish, Oppo branding you can see, and the camera module is also here. For the camera you get 48, 2 and 2 megapixel camera, and on the front you get 8 megapixel front camera. And for the display you get 6.5 inch Full HD Plus display with 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, 405 ppi and 550 nits of brightness. So no doubt in all lighting conditions this display will help you out with good results. Now let's talk about the internal. So this phone comes with Snapdragon 480 processor which works on 8nm fabrication with 6GB of RAM, so definitely your multitasking will be buttery smooth. And on the battery side you get 5000 mAh of battery with 18 watts of fast charging, and for software you get Android 11 with Color OS. So that's all for the Oppo A74 5G. Thanks for watching.